Hello viewers, in today's lesson I'm come to show you how you can install PyCharm, Python IDE. Alright, my name is Eriton and this is Jack Tech YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for us. Let's get started. A link to this website is at the description, so please just click on the link and you'll be redirected to this page. Okay, so here this is the official PyCharm website, that is JetBrains website. Now we have two editions here. We have PyCharm Professional and then Community Edition. So the professional, that one you have to buy license key, but for the community version, that one is free to use. So in this video I will download the community edition. Alright, so here we have the professional. Just scroll down. Alright, so here you scroll down here, you see the community edition. Just click on the download link. So now your PyCharm is downloaded. Alright, so now just open your downloads. If you want to open your downloads, just go to your start menu, type downloads, or go to run dialog, Windows key plus R. Before you install PyCharm, you should have Python interpreter installed. Yes, so I have a video on how to install Python interpreter on Windows 11. So just check the first comment. The link to that video is there. So just click on it, install Python interpreter, and then come back to this video. After you have installed Python interpreter, just go to your downloads folder. Yeah, so this is your PyCharm IDE here. Double click on it. Alright, so this is the first window. Just click on next. You can choose the installation folder, but I think the default folder is okay. Okay, so next, select all these options. Okay, alright, so after that, just click. So here, just click on install. Okay, so now your PyCharm IDE is installing. Now we have two options. So I want to manually restart my PC, or you can click on restart now and finish. So you select to reboot now and finish. Now your PyCharm is installed. So just go to your desktop. So we have PyCharm Community Edition. Double click on it. Alright, so here you have to accept the license terms. Okay, so accept, continue. Alright, so this is the welcome screen. Just click on new project. We have pure Python, that is to develop or to create normal Python script. And then we have Django for web development. We have JavaScript and other programming languages. Yeah. So now we will select the pure Python. Name your project. So create Git repository. You can select it, or yeah. Alright, here we have create a welcome script. So select this option. Alright, interpreter type, that is the Python interpreter that you have installed. So PyCharm will automatically select that Python interpreter. So click on create. So now your project is creating. Alright, my name is Eriton and this is Jack Tech YouTube channel. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.